tunnels at Fotula Pass to transform Srinagar-Kargil Leh highway connectivity. In a major boost to India's strategic infrastructure development in the Himalayan region, the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways MoRTH has initiated the bidding process for the construction of twin unidirectional tunnels beneath the Fotula Pass in Ladakh. The project forms part of the centre's broader vision to transform Ladakh into all-weather connected region. Together with the upcoming Zojila tunnel, the Fotula tunnel will significantly improve connectivity between Srinagar, Kargil and Leh while enhancing national security, economic activity and year-round transportation. Center initiates bidding process for Fotula tunnel. The Government of India has taken a major step forward by launching the bidding process for the construction of the Fotula tunnel project on National Highway 1. The project was approved following budgetary allocation earlier this year and is estimated to cost approximately rupees 824.12 crore rupees. The authorities have fixed a 3-year completion timeline for the project. The proposed infrastructure includes twin unidirectional tunnel and associated approach roads aimed at overcoming one of the most challenging sections of the Srinagar-Kargil-Leh route. What is the Fotula tunnel project? The project involves the construction of 2 separate tunnels to facilitate smooth traffic movement in each direction. Key features of the project: estimated cost rupees 824.12 crore rupees. Tunnel type twin unidirectional tunnels. Length of each tunnel nearly 2 kilometers. Total project length approximately 2.65 kilometers. Completion deadline 3 years. Location Fotula Pass on NH1. The tunnels are designed to provide uninterrupted movement of vehicles even during harsh winter conditions. Strategic importance of Fotula Pass. Fotula Pass is the highest point on the Srinagar-Kargil-Leh highway and lies at an altitude of approximately 4,108 meters above sea level. The pass forms a critical segment of National Highway 1 NH1, which serves as the primary road link connecting Srinagar-Kargil-Leh. Given its location in a sensitive border region, maintaining reliable access through this corridor is strategically important for both civilian transportation and military logistics. Why is tunnel needed at Fotula? For decades, the Fotula stretch has been one of the most difficult sections of the NH1. The region experiences severe winters, heavy snowfall, and icy road conditions that often disrupt traffic movement. Major challenges at Fotula: snow accumulation ranging from 5 to 10 feet during winter, frequent ice formation on road surfaces, increased risk of road accidents, steep gradients and sharp mountain turns, traffic disruption during extreme weather, continuous snow clearance operations required. These challenges often result in temporary closure of the route, affecting transportation supplies, tourism and defense movement. How will the tunnel improve connectivity? The proposed tunnel will allow vehicles to travel beneath the mountain instead of crossing the snow-prone ridge section. This engineering solution will substantially reduce weather-related disruption and improve year-round accessibility. Expected benefits: